Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to fix the JDBC connection between MySQL and Jira software. When I click on test my connection here during the setup process, it is saying something like could not find driver with class name com.mysql.cj.jdbc.Driver. This is because on my computer for MySQL there is no JDBC connector. I need to download and paste it. So on Google you can search something like Jira connectivity with MySQL. So this is the documentation page what will be available. And here in the documentation it is saying that copy the MySQL JDBC driver, and they gave the link to download this. What I'll do is I'll drop this link in the description. You can check in the description and download this. I will select platform independent as my laptop is Windows 64-bit. So I can download any one of this. For now I am downloading the first one. Please do check in the description, you will find this link and you can also download this. When I click on download, it is asking me to log in into my Oracle account. So I have a Oracle account. During MySQL download I created this. So just log in with your Oracle account and you will get download option. So when you click on this download option, there will be a zip or the compressed folder would gets download to your computer. See, this is the MySQL connector jar file 9.1.0 zip here. I opened my download folder and this is the folder, the compressed folder. First I need to unzip this. You can right click and click on extract all so that the folder gets extracted. Open this and you'll need to copy this jar file. This PC under C, under program files, under Jira, Atlassian under Jira, I need to find lib folder, library folder, and here I need to paste the jar file. So I just clicked on Control V, which is paste. Yes, the jar file has been copied. So I'll check it whether it is copied. Yes, now it is copied. Now what I need to do is I need to do a small step. On my computer I need to click on services, double click on the services. These are all the Windows services currently running. In all the services, I need to filter Atlassian Jira and restart the service once, or you can restart the laptop also. Now I'll go to the setup and check the test connection again here. So when I click on the test connection again here, so when I scroll to top, this time the JDBC driver is available within my computer. The database connection test was successful. In this way you can fix the issue. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. As soon as I receive this comment, I'll try to reply you. I hope you like this tutorial.